are you just splashing in the water? Hmm? Good morning, stalkers. Today is Monday. Jackson is spitting on the carpet. Matt's playing Call of Duty. Yep.
Are you gonna be shooting just to see
Jack is coming for Matt. He's
Oh,
gonna
nice.
get
It's
him.
the old striker.
You gonna get Daddy? You gonna get him? We're just hanging out. So Matt is currently baby wearing and in the kitchen making brownies. Hey Matt, show us your baby.
What?
Show us your baby.
One sec. Currently in the kitchen making brownies. This is my baby.
Oh, hey there.
I have no idea where his arms are supposed to go in this thing.
Under the straps.
Under them?
Yep.
If they're here, you can like help out, right? That's got no. Go ahead, go get her. I'm gonna make her stay so you can get her. Lily, sit. Lily, sit. Lily, sit.
She just runs around him. He's like, what the fuck?
Sit. Lay down.
What are you doing? What's up, buddy? Hi. And you're going to the stairs. Oh, we're gonna head to bed. Good night. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye.
Bye. Oh, it's slightly loud.
I look like a boy. I get wind chill in my ears, and then I get a headache, and I get earaches. So on our walks, I now have to wear hats because it's cold out. But good morning, stalkers. It's Tuesday. We're going for a morning walk. It's been like 4 days. We haven't walked. We're terrible. So we are back from our walk, and we're just hanging out because Grandma Campbell's coming over. Yeah, Nana's coming to visit you. She's back from Texas visiting Grandpa. Yeah. Grandpa's away working until the end of December or middle of December. Yeah. So she went to go see him, and then she's coming back, and she's coming to see you because she missed you. He got big feet.
Our cream cake should fit. They better fit you.
Got booties. If you squeeze his fat little foot in, it should fit.
Come on, Chubbers. Get your feet in there.
Doesn't help when he's slapping at it.
No. They might not fit you. Oh my goodness. How can you have feet that big?
They're just fat. You got chunky
Oh,
feet.
big in there.
If you just squeeze it past the ankle part, it's good.
Squeeze it past his cankle.
Already got booties. Oh my god. I can take them back and get a bigger pair.
They would like stick around longer.
Yeah.
Yeah, a bigger pair might stick around longer.
Yeah, I got them
Yeah.
from Crock and Barrel.
Yeah.
What do you call them? Cracker Barrel?
Cracker Barrel?
Cracker
Oh, over in
Barrel.
the States?
Yes.
Someone is KO'd. Yeah, he's so tired. I hope you know this is not helping Mommy unload the dishes. This isn't helping. Or are you just splashing in the water? Hmm? Looks like you're splashing. Goofball. So Matt's hanging out, playing Call of Duty. Doing nothing. Being a lazy house spouse. While I'm baby wearing and making dinner.
Being super fucking loud about it.
Hey Jack. Hey Jack. Hi.
Alright.
Hi.
Man, yeah.
Yeah, so I'm making macaroni. And hanging on to this little thing. Boop.
Yeah. She's cooking and she's got Jack and like...
So I got macaroni all chopped up for this little guy to eat. You excited? It's your first time having macaroni. Yeah.
So I can really go to the front here, and I can see if I can take it out with that one. Which is it? Sorry, right, my mighty and not my knitter queen. How do you get mighty and your knitter queen mixed up?
What do you think you're doing? What are you doing? What do you think you're doing? Jack! Jackson! What are you doing? What are you doing? Yeah. What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? Hi. What are you doing? You little computer man? Woo! Gotcha! Well, Jack's asleep. Matt's playing Call of Duty. We're just gonna get around in, and then we're gonna go to the basement and work on it a little bit more. So, just gonna end the vlog now. Don't forget to like, share, favorite, and subscribe to our channel to give you guys some reasons to smile. Good night, and we will see you on Friday. Bye!